Hi everyone, say hello, let us know you're watching. Just a quick tip today, and you want nice full impatiens. Impatiens are a bedding plant that loves and thrives in the shade. And one of the things that we tell all of our customers when they're walking out with either packs or flats of impatiens is go ahead and give them a haircut. And it just makes a nice full plant, and it's real easy to do. So this is just a nice quick tip. Take your scissors, you can clean them off and disinfect them if you need to, but just a nice quick cut. I like to go right over where that tag is and just cut them, just like this. And just cut that right off. And that's all it does. It'll look like sticks for maybe about 2 weeks, but then we go through, we hit them with our Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer a few times, and that growth just explodes. So again, really easy to do. Just take another pack. I mean, you can take flats of this and do it so quickly. In fact, in the greenhouses, we like to do this with a hedge trimmer. So we just take the whole flat and we go right over, right above where that tag is, and just cut it right off. And then we'll go through and we'll just take our fingers, and it works kind of nice when they're wet, because then the stuff really sticks to your fingers and you can get it out of there. But that's all it is. It's a quick fix, and yeah, it'll look a little bit sad for maybe about a week and a half or 2 weeks, but go ahead and fertilize it a few times and boom, it just comes right back. And then you only have to do this once early on in the season, and I promise you, your impatiens will look absolutely gorgeous for the rest of the season. So that's just a quick tip. Try it with your impatiens. Don't be afraid to do it. I promise you, they'll turn out beautiful. So just a nice little quick little cut. And then, and you can do it right in the pack. Like, this is the easiest way, or you can do it while you're planting is fine too. But just give them a nice quick little cut right off the top, a little bit off the top, run your fingers through, and that's it. So I hope you enjoy our quick tip today. Bye-bye.